MiG-29. The Mikoyan MiG-29 is a twin-engine jet fighter aircraft designed in the Soviet Union. Developed by the Mikoyan Design Bureau, for Soviet Union. Currently 25 countries in the world operates this fighter jet, including Iran. MiG-29 is a multi-role fighter jet, so it can do both air missions and ground strike missions. Iran currently operates 20 MiG-29s. MiG-29 can launch R-27 air-to-air missiles. And yes, Iran have these R-27 missiles. R-27 is a medium to long-range missile. In certain circumstances, R-27 can take down a F-35. And against F-15 and F-16, it's a bit easy to shoot them with R-27. MiG-29 can also reach 2,200 km/h speed. But these jets only have PESA radar. Most of the developed countries already moved to AESA radars. Sukhoi Su-17. The Sukhoi Su-17 is a Soviet variable sweep-wing fighter bomber developed from the Sukhoi Su-7. Su-17 don't have any chance against today's modern fighter jets, but in ground attack these jets are still effective. Also, this aircraft can launch anti-radiation missiles like Kh-58, and can throw laser-guided bombs. With Mach 1.5 speed and Kh-29 ground attack missile, this jet can do considerable damage to ground forces. Su-24. The Sukhoi Su-24 is a supersonic, all-weather attack aircraft developed in the Soviet Union. Like Su-17, Su-24 also a attack aircraft. This jet also can launch anti-radiation missiles and ground attack missiles like Su-17. Su-24 can launch anti-ship missiles Kh-31. One of the best anti-ship missile, developed by Soviet Union. Su-24 have 615 kilometers of combat range and speed of Mach 1.6. Currently Iran operates 23 Su-24 jets. Chengdu J-7. The Chengdu J-7 is a Chinese license-built version of the Soviet MiG-21. J-7 is an interceptor aircraft entered service in 1964. It can reach 2,200 km/h speed. Combat range is 850 kilometers. More than 10 countries in the world currently operates this jets, including Iran. Iran currently operates 17 J-7 fighter jets. Northrop F-5. Northrop F-5 is an American fighter jet introduced in 1962. Developed by Northrop Corporation for United States. It can go up to 1,740 km/h speed. Iranian F-5s can launch AA-10 Alamo missiles, Iranian version of Soviet R-27 air-to-air missile. F-5 also a capable light ground attack jet. Iran currently operates 25 Northrop F-5s or its versions locally produced in Iran. F-4 Phantom II. F-4 Phantom II is an all-weather, long-range supersonic jet interceptor and fighter bomber, developed for the United States Navy by McDonnell Aircraft. F-Phantom first entered service in 1960. It can go up to speed of Mach 2.23. Combat range is 680 kilometers. This jet can launch AIM-7 Sparrow air-to-air missile. Currently Iran operates 47 F-4 Phantoms. F-14 Tomcat. The Grumman F-14 Tomcat is an American supersonic, twin-engine, variable sweep-wing fighter aircraft. The Tomcat was developed for the United States Navy by Grumman Aerospace Corporation. First introduced in 1974. Currently Iran's Air Force operates 24 Tomcats. Maximum speed of this jet is 2,485 km per hour, with a combat range of 1,000 km. Currently F-14 Tomcat is the most capable interceptor in Iranian Air Force. It can carry AIM-54 Phoenix, a deadly long-range air-to-air missile developed in United States. Mirage F-1. The Dassault Mirage F-1 is a French fighter and attack aircraft designed and manufactured by Dassault Aviation, for French Air Force. Introduced in 1973, still operated by Iranian Air Force. It can reach 2,400 km per hour speed. Combat range of this jet is 425 km. Iran have 9 Mirage F-1 fighter jets. Mirage F-1 can carry short-range air-to-air missiles and Exocet, anti-ship missiles. MiG-23. MiG-23 is a Soviet fighter jet. Iran operates bomber variant of MiG-23. Introduced in 1970, this aircraft still in service with 9 countries. Maximum speed of MiG-23 is 2,500 km per hour. Combat range is 1,500 km. MiG-25. The MiG-25 is a Soviet supersonic interceptor and reconnaissance aircraft. It was designed by Mikoyan Gurevich Bureau for Soviet Union. MiG-25 is one of the fastest interceptor in the world. Entered service in 1970. This jet can reach 3,000 km per hour speed. Combat range of this jet is 900 km.